In this video, we are going to learn step-by-step process of how to install KaliLinux on Windows using VirtualBox. This method is safe, beginner-friendly, and does not affect your Windows system because we will run KaliLinux as a virtual machine. This video is divided into 5 important parts. Let's get started. First of all, make sure virtualization is enabled in your computer. It is necessary to run virtual machines. To check status in your computer, go to Task Manager. Inside Task Manager, go to Performance. In Performance, check status. We have to enable this. For that, go to your BIOS by restarting your Windows operating system. Under BIOS, go to Security. Inside Security Virtualization, make sure your virtualization is enabled. Save your configuration and restart your Windows. Next important step is to disable the hypervisor. For that, go to your Windows command prompt, start in admin mode and execute following command. This will prevent conflicts between VirtualBox and Windows. In the next step, let us download and install Oracle's VirtualBox. I'm going to download Windows host. File size is around 170 MB. Install VirtualBox. Accept terms and conditions. Keep default settings as it is during installation. Next, ready to install. Finish. VirtualBox is now ready to use. Now let's download KaliLinux. Various installation options available. I'm going to download complete offline installation with customization option. File size is around 4.4 GB, hence this will take some time. In the next step, let's create a new virtual machine in VirtualBox Manager. For that, go to New, add required basic details to create new KaliLinux virtual machine. OS Linux, OS distribution Debian. Next. Now specify virtual hardware for this virtual OS. Select base memory, number of CPUs, and disk size. Remember that virtual resources allocated to VM like base memory, number of CPU, and disk size will not be available to the host computer when VM is running. Hence, don't allocate full resources to this VM. These are the summary of resources allocated to this new virtual machine. Click Finish. Now go to Settings. Increase video memory for smooth display performance. In the storage attributes, select downloaded KaliLinux installer file. In network, enable network adapter and select NAT. Click on Start Now to run this virtual machine. Select basic configuration options during setup. Select language, your location, keyboard, You can skip domain name at this moment. Specify full name for the user. Select your password. Confirm your password. Select your time zone. Partitioning method, use entire disk. Select disk to partition. Partitioning scheme all files. Finish partitioning. Write changes to disk. Choose software to install. Select your grub bootloader information. In case of multiple operating system on same computer, grub will help us in choosing which OS to boot. Finishing the installation. And here we go. Select KaliLinux. KaliLinux is ready to use now. Enter your ID password. This is a virtual machine. Start your terminal. Write command OS release to check the version of OS that we are using. And that's it. Enjoy your KaliLinux virtual machine. Close your virtual machine. Power off the machine. This will release all the resources. And close your VirtualBox.